Today we will be learning how to give an online assessment. To access the assessment, you can either click on the Assessments tab and select List Assessments, or you can just click on the View Assessments box there. Either way, they will both take you to the assessment filtering menu. Here is the Illuminate assessment filtering menu. For the author, I would leave that blank. The year, make sure you select the correct year, 2015-16 for this example, and I'm going to select 6th grade here. Assessment type, I would leave that alone as well. Scope, for the most part, the more you click, the less assessments will show up. And subject, we're going to be doing math today. And then hit search, and only the math assessments will show up. Now let's click on the assessment that you would like. I'm going to select 2015-16 grade 6 math unit 8 unit study post-test assessment. To select the correct group of students to test, click on add roster. So the menu here will allow you to select the testing window. So default, it gives you about a week. 6/1/2016, 6/8/2016. You can change it to whatever, and you can also set the time as well. So all academic years, we want to just do the 2015-16 school year. The grade level, we're doing 6th grade. This is defaulted with your name and your school. And select the grade. Click on that, grade 6, the class, and hit save. To see a preview of the assessment, you can go to details. There's an answer key right there for the questions. There's 9 questions in this particular assessment. The standards. The materials. So here's the item bank test booklet, and here's the teacher's edition with the answers. So if you wanted to just take a look and see what the assessment actually looks like in a PDF version, you can actually download it and save it to your computer or upload it to your drive. And the document is in PDF. At the beginning of the year, you may need to set up a password for the students to log into their online assessment. So in order to do that, there's 2 ways. I'll show you both ways to do it. The first one is to individually reset the password for a student. So you need to click on Students, search 2.0, and it's currently under current student, so you can actually just scroll down, click on the student, scroll down, and you click on change for the portal password, and change the password right there. This is actually a temporary password, so when the students actually log in with this password, they're going to be asked to change their password to a new password. To reset a whole class, you could actually go to Students, Manage Portal Access, and if you wanted to change the whole class because it is the beginning of the school year, you can click All on the top right. That will check every student. Hit the Delete Student Portal Account. What that does is it doesn't delete the actual student's account, it will delete their password. But in this example, I will be only selecting the top 3 for now. Select it that way. Hit Delete Student Portal. Are you sure you want to delete portal access for 3 students? Yes. This actually works well for students that forget their password as well, so you can actually now go to Add a Student and just find students. It will find the students that do not have a password. There are my 3 students that do not have a password. Select all. You can do a random password, or you can just customize the password. I will give the password SUSD 2017. Just give that to the students. This is also a temporary password. Once the students log in with their temporary password, Illuminate will ask the student to change their password on the spot. In order for the students to take the assessment, the students need to go to the district website, go to Families for Students. This will take them to the school district's Siblu page. Select Illuminate Student. The username for the student is going to be their ID number. And enter in the password that you just changed it to. Log in. And there it is. Put a new password, confirm the password, and the students are in. And once the students are in, there is a menu on the right side of the screen, and just tell the student which assessment to take and they should be good to go. And that's it.